Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trove app. First, download the Trove app from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and create your new account. You can typically sign up using your email address or by linking a social media account for quick access. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which displays all the core functionalities and options available to you right away. The Trove app makes it simple to find what you're looking for. Utilize the prominent search bar at the top to quickly locate specific items, articles, or topics of interest. If you prefer to explore, navigate through the various categories and curated lists to discover new and exciting content. When you find something valuable, simply tap the Save icon to add it to your personalized collections, keeping everything organized and accessible for future reference. Trove isn't just for personal use. It's also a vibrant community. You can easily share interesting content with your friends directly through the app or post it to your favorite social media platforms. Don't hesitate to leave comments on items to engage in discussions and connect with other users who share your interests. Following other users is a great way to discover new perspectives and expand your own curated feed with fresh content. To get the most out of Trove, dive into its advanced features. Personalize your feed by adjusting preferences to ensure you see content most relevant to you, making your experience truly unique. You can also set up helpful notifications to receive alerts about updates on your saved items or new content from users you follow. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.